People in the disaster-affected Fukushima, Iwate and Miyagi prefectures observed a moment of silence on March 11th, exactly 12 years after a deadly earthquake and tsunami devastated the area. On March 11, 2011, a magnitude 9.0 quake struck the area at 2:46 p.m. "15,900 people died from the earthquake and the following tsunami. More than 2,500 are still missing. Some damaged buildings remain untouched, such as this steel frame of what used to be the Disaster Prevention Center building in Minami Sanriku, Miyagi Prefecture. The vast majority of the victims were from Miyagi and Iwate prefectures. The disaster forced over 164,000 people in Fukushima Prefecture to evacuate, of whom 27,000 remain displaced. Infrastructure and lives in the disaster-affected areas have mostly returned to normal, thanks to efforts both in the public and private sectors and international aid. However, restoration is still halfway through. 祈りを捧げ